Welcome. In this video I will show you how to reset home screen layout on Apple Watch Series 11. Open the app library first by pressing the digital crown once. Then, once you're here, find settings and open them. Then in settings, scroll down to general section and open general. Then scroll all the way down this menu and select reset option. And right here below the erase all content and settings option, you'll find reset home screen layout option. Tap on it and then confirm by clicking reset home screen. And this way you will reset your home screen layout. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.